Hey, hello guys. I am so excited to be back with you guys for another segment of Mirski's video. His YouTube videos. So you guys, yes. And today I'm going to be talking about manifestations, the law of attraction, you know, all of that. I'm going to be talking about how to act as if when you are trying to manifest something. So what is acting as if? Acting as if is basically what it sounds like. You know, you act as if you already have whatever you're trying to manifest. You act as though it is already in your reality, in your possession, and whatever. You already have this. So basically what you're saying is affirmations that are acting as if, or you're visualizing as if you already have it. So basically an example is, I have my new dream home. I have the relationship that I love. Things that are in present tense. So you're acting as if it is already in present tense by saying it, by acting as if you already have it, like it is in your vibration. You are walking around and talking like you have it. You are visualizing it like you have it. So a good example that I usually do when I act as if, and this is just like, say if I want to go somewhere, but I don't have nowhere planned. So what I do is I get dressed. I put on my clothes and I act like I'm finna go somewhere. Something is going to come up that is going to get me out of the house. No matter if it's like me wanting to walk to the forest or somebody wanting to just hang out or something. That's a great example to act as if. Easy. And if that's how you can start off with something, start off small before you go to the big things, because it'll make you seem overwhelmed and like you're gonna start feeling the lack, like you don't have it. And acting as if is a great way to start off with small. Don't try to do big things if you aren't ready for it. Like acting as if you have a house and you don't even have the income ready for it. You see, it's like it's split. It's that things need to match up when you act as if you already have something. Make sure it matches up with your vibrational state and you are at resonance to whatever you're trying to manifest. So you can act as if in many ways, more than just relationship and money. Having health, you can seem like you are already healthy. You are eating the foods that are nourishing your body, things like that. Maybe acting as if can help if you write it down in your journal, or you are expressing it to someone else that is good with the law of attraction. Like if someone you know is already aware of the law of attraction, how they can manifest things in their reality and do stuff like that. It's good to talk to them about maybe your desires and your goals and stuff, so they can help raise your vibration to that state, because communication with someone and being vulnerable when you are acting as if or trying to manifest something can really amplify that manifestation and your vibration and help you manifest whatever you want at a faster rate. I'm living for this look that I'm doing today, y'all. I'm not even gonna fake to y'all. I love how this is glowing and stuff, and I just been seeing angel numbers. Acting as if is a really big way to help manifest. I don't think I wanted to like explain. That's really a good explanation of what acting as if is, to be quite honest with you guys. There's really not much else to say about acting as if. It's just basically how it is. You know, you act as if you are already in resonance to whatever it is that you want to manifest. You put yourself in a position as though you are already having it, you are already experiencing whatever it is that you want, and it is in your reality. You do not have to always tell the universe 6 or 5 times, this is mine, this is mine, this is mine. No, it knows the first time you ask for it and the first time you act as if you already have it. There's no need to continue on repeating something and being repetitive to it if it isn't working or you feel like you're not manifesting it. Just doing it once or a couple of times can get it to vibrate with you at a rapid speed. You don't need to keep pushing yourself to do it if it's not working. Just act as if, and one time and it's there. And just let resistance go. and then it's manifested. It's manifested in divine timing. You are allowing it to manifest in divine timing, and it is coming to you whenever it should. So you guys, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, like it, share it with somebody else so they can know how to use the law of attraction properly and how to manifest whatever they desire quickly. If you like it, do what I said, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.